Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Cuisinart Food Processor Parts is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of your kitchen arsenal, transforming a good appliance into a truly indispensable culinary tool that can handle everything from chopping vegetables and kneading dough to pureeing soups and making sauces with unparalleled ease and efficiency, saving you precious time and effort in the kitchen. Number 5. Cuisinart 14-Cup Food Processor DFP 14 BCNY. Experience ultimate kitchen versatility. This powerful appliance functions as a vegetable chopper, blender, and food processor, all in one. Effortlessly create dips, soups, and sauces like hummus, salsa, and guacamole. Designed for convenience, it features simple on and off pulse buttons. The extra-large feed tube accommodates various ingredients, and the detachable disc stem ensures easy cleanup. It comes equipped with dishwasher-safe parts for your convenience. You'll find a stainless steel slicing disc, a medium shredding disc, and a chopping mixing blade. Please note that the shredding and slicing blades are not adjustable. For best results, refer to the manual before use. Enjoy peace of mind with a limited 3-year warranty on the entire unit. Additionally, the motor is covered by a full 5-year warranty. What we like? This is the ultimate kitchen workhorse. If you're a home cook who loves to prepare large batches of food, from sauces and dips to dough, this is the one for you. Its generous capacity and powerful motor make short work of any task. What people say. The bowl is large and will help us in our large batch cooking. Simple and straightforward, quiet and efficient. Super fast and powerful and great results with very little wasted food. This Cuisinart product is sturdy and reliable. I use it almost daily to make sauces, cream cheese and other cheeses, and baked goods, even those with thick dough. Number 4. Cuisinart DLC 039 ATX 1 Replacement Detachable Stem. Ensure your Cuisinart food processor runs smoothly with this genuine, OEM authorized replacement part. It's designed to be a perfect fit for your appliance. This detachable stem is specifically engineered to fit a range of Cuisinart models, including DFP 14, DLC 2014, and MP 14. Check your model number to confirm compatibility. It is compatible with several Cuisinart models, identified by numbers such as 3066, 3067, 3093, 3094, 3111, 3112, KF140, and KF227. This ensures a precise fit for your needs. The official part number for this stem is DLC 039 ATX 1. Using the correct OEM part guarantees the quality and performance you expect from Cuisinart. This essential component is proudly manufactured in the United States. You can trust in its quality and durability for long-lasting use. What we like? Lost or damaged your detachable stem? This is the genuine replacement you need for specific Cuisinart models. If you're looking to restore your food processor to its original working condition with an authentic part, this is your best bet. What people say. Works perfectly and is very easy to use. No issues at all. This is the correct replacement part for the detachable stem on a DLC 7. However, it's real important to know that the replacement parts for the older Cuisinart units are now made in China. So as always with all things made in China, quality consistency is not 100% reliable. Test the strength of the locking mechanism by attaching it to a blade, carefully turning that blade upside down on your counter and then see if you can twist it off, or if it stays locked like it is supposed to. If the stem unlocks from the blade when you do this, the replacement stem is defective and needs to be returned and replaced. This is the genuine OEM part that actually balances well and works. Stay away from other sellers that are selling knockoffs not manufactured by Cuisinart. I purchased knockoffs and had to return them. Number 3. Cuisinart DLC 001 TXB CSR Replacement Stainless Steel Chopping Blade. Ensure your Cuisinart food processor runs smoothly with this genuine replacement stainless steel chopping blade. It's designed for optimal performance in your kitchen. This blade is engineered for a precise fit with Cuisinart food processor models DFP 14, DLC 2014, and MP 14 series only. Please verify your model number before purchasing. It's crucial to note that this part is not compatible with other Cuisinart models, even if their blades look similar. Using it in an incompatible model may cause damage. Experience efficient chopping and processing of all your ingredients. This blade helps you prepare recipes quickly and effectively. Your health and safety are important. This replacement blade is made from BPA-free materials, ensuring safe and healthy food preparation. Don't let a worn-out blade slow you down. Restore the full functionality of your compatible Cuisinart food processor with this essential part. What we like. Is your chopping blade dull or missing? This OEM replacement is designed for efficient chopping and fits a very specific range of Cuisinart models. If you need a reliable blade for your compatible food processor, this ensures optimal performance and safety. What people say. The Cuisinart food processor parts are durable and easy to clean. The motor is powerful and handles tough ingredients with ease. The various attachments offer great versatility for different tasks. Number 2. Cuisinart FP 13 BPA 13 Cup Food Processor Pusher Assembly. Ensure your Cuisinart food processor runs smoothly with this genuine replacement pusher assembly. It's designed for optimal performance and durability. This part is engineered for an exact fit, but only for specific Cuisinart 13 Cup food processor models. Please verify your model number before purchasing. This pusher assembly is exclusively compatible with Cuisinart models FP 13 DGM, FP 13 DSV, and SFP 13. Confirming your model ensures a perfect match. Your health and safety are paramount. This replacement part is made from BPA-free materials, giving you peace of mind during use. As an original equipment manufacturer part, you can trust its quality and perfect compatibility. It's designed to meet Cuisinart's high standards. This assembly comes complete with small, medium, and large pusher pieces. They are designed to work seamlessly with your compatible food processor. What we like. If you've misplaced or broken the pusher assembly for your 13-cup Cuisinart food processor, this is the OEM replacement. It's crucial to ensure your model is listed for a perfect fit. If you need to replace this specific part for safety and functionality, choose this genuine option. What people say. Fits my Cuisinart perfectly with no problems. It looks just like the original and I hope it is more durable. This is an excellent replacement. Dishwasher safe. It fits perfectly. I don't know why this model is not listed as one of the models for this part, but I can assure you that if you have the same model that I have, this is the part for you. It fits perfectly and works well. It even seems to be sturdier than the original. Number 1. Cuisinart FP 12 LPT1 Replacement Large Clear Pusher. Ensure the best performance for your Cuisinart food processor with this genuine OEM replacement part. It's designed for a precise fit and high quality. This large clear pusher is made exclusively for specific Cuisinart food processor models, including CFP 24, FP 12, and FP 14. Please verify compatibility before purchasing. It's crucial to note that this part will not fit other Cuisinart models, even if the pusher appears similar. Only purchase if your model is listed. Crafted from BPA-free materials, this replacement ensures safe food handling. You can rely on its performance to enhance your food processor's functionality. Keep your Cuisinart food processor working optimally with this essential accessory. It's designed to integrate seamlessly for reliable operation. This replacement pusher is compatible with all color variations of the specified Cuisinart models. It's the perfect solution for a lost or damaged part. What we like. This is a genuine Cuisinart replacement large pusher, specifically designed for certain FP 12 and FP 14 models. If you have one of these compatible models and need to replace the large pusher, this OEM part guarantees a precise fit and safe operation. What people say. Fast delivery and perfect fit. It works great for the 12-cup food processor by Cuisinart FP 12 series. It arrived fast. The replacement part fits perfectly and gets me back in business. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.